Supper eggs. For this you'll need 750 grams of potatoes, 4 eggs, 25 grams of butter, 1 Spanish onion, 1 tablespoon of milk, 75 grams of cheddar cheese, salt and freshly ground black pepper, and 50 grams of double Gloucester cheese. First, chop up the potatoes, put them in water, bring to the boil and then simmer for 20 minutes until soft. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Meanwhile, melt the butter and fry the onions in it. Drain the potatoes and mash with a tablespoon of milk. Mix in the cheese and the onion. Spoon the potatoes into a heat-proof bowl. Fluff up the top with a fork. Using the back of a spoon, make a shallow depression in the potato about half an inch deep. Break the egg into the depression. Grill the egg and potato for about 7 minutes on medium heat. Season with a little pepper. And salt. Allow to stand for 2 minutes to allow the egg white to set completely. Grate a little double Gloucester over the top. And now for the taste test. Lovely, nice cheesy melted cheese. Bit of egg. That's wonderful. Superb. Great. Have some more. Yum. My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.